NQ4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4. Speed of NQ 53.
Test. 1, 2. Alrighty then. Afternoon.
NQ on the 9.
Let's take a peek. Let's see. And eeny, meeny, miny.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
No, those aren't the right ones. My video camera's on here somewhere. There we go. All right, good afternoon. Let's see, if you were here this morning, we talked about the big bears. They were in there. And Big Bull up there and said they had to let them out. And they let them out. Huge day. It was over 70K today. Huge. It was great. Big call. Set of calls there this morning. So need to come back and let's look around and reassess what we've got here for the afternoon. It is 2:06. We've got about 2 hours to the U.S. close. Got financial juice on there for the afternoon. Let's check to see if we have any news.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
For the late afternoon, we have 2 o'clock monthly budget. Budget balance, both of those at 2 p.m. So those just hit here a couple moments ago. Enigma's calling bottom down here. 21 and 10.4 for double Enigma off the bottom. Huge move up there. 228 ticks to the upside. Let's look at our higher time frames as those are coming into play.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
And let me see if I can find the big boys.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
I remember there was a 3 a.m. big guy in there. Where's he at? Yeah, there they are. So 3 a.m.ers. That was this bottom green area. And they had their chance. They got their profits. Another one stepped in there. Yep, we got our profits there from the morning already. So we're not having to concern ourselves with those guys. Okay.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Not 1,000. But he's in there. Did he get a chance? No, he did not. Okay, so there's Here's the big guy, 2 o'clock.
Divergence down NQ.
They dragged, they made their profits. Okay, so this guy needs to be let out.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4 on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 6.
Doesn't have to, he's not 1,000.
US Treasury
So it should be a lighter.
that China hasn't threatened cutting pharma exports in talks. So that's Betcent saying China has not threatened cutting pharma exports in talks.
Okay, it's a super AO. Sharkback has a little bit more left in it. We got the
Fib.NQ on the 9.
double cross, double move to the upside. That's already completed. Super AO floating on its own. We've got red and red.
Speed of NQ 61. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9.
It'll be interesting to see if you know, I say if they'll let him out
CDM NQ on the 4.
up there, and
Double delta.
this might be the end of it. That's mega late Nate right there. So we could be coming down here. The distance goes to the top there. It's 100 ticks.
Enigma long on the NQ. Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 43. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
Okay, first red dot break. First red structure broken.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
Double king timing.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
Okay, it's a 5. Will we pull up on 5 number 1? That is the question.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, get ready.
Fib
Let's
dot
look to
NQ
take the
on
next
4.
play. That is a super dot.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Double delta NQ on the 4. Double delta on the YM on the 9.
Shark back on the 9s.
S&P
Lower
500
bands touch
extending
NQ on the
losses here down
43.
0.45%.
Double delta EM on the 6.
Hmm.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Almost to S1.
EM on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 6.
DDSR. There's no zone here.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Speed of NQ 67. Speed of NQ 67.
We're on the 4s, and it
Just wanted
is
to clarify, there's
too
no
fast on the
catalyst
4s.
behind this leg down in the S&P 500 that we're seeing at the moment. They're still scanning the wires and journalists on X,
NQ on the
etc.
4.
They're just not seeing anything new coming out from the wires or from journalists, which would line up with this move that we're seeing here.
pure text.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, potential double cross there's. Whoa, cracking them through.
CDM-NQ on the 4.
3 wise men.
NQ on the 6. Fib.NQ on the 4.
S1 coming up.
NQ on the 43.
There it is. There's a 5.9. Give that a shot. That is the second one in the series. Ready DD back behind it. See if they're gonna run out of any steam here and give me a pop up.
NQ on the 4.
Nope, Enigma shows up there. All right, 80 ticks. I'll take it. Snap up, baby. Gotta love it. Okay, big guy stepped in right here. Let's mark that up. And he stepped up in a very big way. In a very narrow window. Like, very tiny. I mean, technically they bought this whole thing here. But that was an exuberant level of buying there.
Speed of NQ 72.
So look for some up move here now. Where does that put me on the day there? I know I shouldn't be looking at my numbers. That's what they all say. 82,000 on the day.
DCDM
Huge.
on the 6. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 4. Speed of NQ 53. Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 6. Fib.NQ on the 4. 2-finger NQ on the 43.
Clear up the confusion for all the new folks. Welcome aboard to all the new folks. Make sure you grab that 2-week free trial. 2-week free trials will be going away, so grab them while you can.
Double delta NQ.
Let's get the chat on screen here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
Okay, what is going on with all my screens here? How does that?
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Oh, I haven't popped out the new chat from this afternoon. Yeah.
Double delta NQ on the 6. Upper bands touch NQ on the 43. Fib dot NQ on the 4.
Is this right?
Treasury Secretary Bessent just repeats the sentiment that stablecoins could lock in dollar dominance.
Yeah, definitely recommend get the bootcamp. I saw some chatter there of asking how do you learn what we're doing here. Yeah, I mean, you have to go through the bootcamp. I don't know if there's any. There's no shorter way.
NQ on the 43.
No shorter way to learn what we're doing than to go through the bootcamp. It's 8 days if you do one per day. But 8 sessions, you can play it through as fast as you are comfortable. Mr. Manigold, how are you, sir? Well, I can't understand anything here. Do you have videos explaining this stat? Of course. Yeah, just bootcamp. Links are in the description down below to get to our Discord, free Discord. We've got the Algo Box official YouTube channel with all of the official training materials. This little experiment here with the small YouTube channel. I don't know. How do you say? Do you say that the experiment is going well? I mean, it's going as anticipated. That YouTube only boosts the small creators. So.
Fib.NQ on the 43.
Go small account, all of a sudden they send you new people. Gigantinormous account like we had before, and they just keep you with all your own current people. They're trying to compete with TikTok for all that. Okay, so back to trading. Let's count them out. We got 2. There's the 3rd. Big guy came in here. Oh. Big guy stepped up. It's a 500. It's like it's not a full 1,000. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it anyway that he's there, but it's not a wrecking. You know what I mean? The big 1,000 is up here. So are they going to go all the way up there and let him out? Just waiting for some play setups. If you are new with us, make sure you go and learn the 2-step entry rule. Basically, the direction filter from the left across the NERD, Nasdaq, ES, RTY, and the Dow. Most recent ones currently moderate buy. Combining that with the step 2, which is the arrow filter inside or outside of the filter zone. I mean the fiddle zone, which is a filter. And then enter in on one of these. So make sure you print out one of these cheat sheets. It's on the left hand side of Discord. If you haven't found one yet, make sure and grab it.
On the 43.
Cheat sheet there. There's cheat sheet 1, cheat sheet number 2.
All
Alright, got a double cross, double move right here that just turned into a cluster. I'll come back. Okay, so whoops, this one, I might take a loss on this. I'm going to half up. That turned into a cluster. It was a double cross, double move scenario, so should have been cross to inside. Target should be that gold line up top, but that turned into a cluster, so this might turn around on me. Got to be careful here. Double cross, double move. We'll put it to that gold line target. Type of 1 if you know, 2 if you're new, because I kind of want to gauge. Oh, there's late Nate. I'm going to kill it. I'm going to kill it. Late Nate showing up in here too. That's not a clean double cross, double move anymore. This is now a cluster, and then late Nate showing up. We could turn back down here now. And that was an exuberant level of selling right there. So did he just finish out his... This is technically now a 1,000 level area here.
Gains extending in WTI crude at the moment.
And you went to right about
in Iraq are being
there.
evacuated.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
So Iraqi security officials and a US source again did earlier say that the US embassy in Iraq is preparing for an ordered evacuation due to heightened security risks in the region. Again, WTI crude just extending gains.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43. Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
Yeah, see, that's the type of move I was just worried about right there. Like, that's a head faker, and that was an exuberant. So if you add, that was, remember, it was like a 600, wasn't quite 1,000, but dude, they stepped in right there and was like, double down here. We got 1,200 on the bear right here. There's a 1,200 big bear right in this area. Now, this guy still never got let out. So are they going to run it up there, let him out, then come back down through this area and come all the way down here again? That would be my theory. Okay, there's cross 1. Let's see if we get a double cross here. I'm going to erase this. Oh, let me draw a line. No, I'm not going to draw a line there either. Yeah, it's just a cluster. Cluster reversal. We just started free trial. I want to know if there will still be available the current offer at the end of my trial. I doubt it. It was supposed to be done and out there last night. My web team's still working on some things on the login side. You'll notice there's a new login there at the top right hand corner of our website. So that's not fully functioning yet, but you will see there's a login there. So a lot of things are about to change. Bootcamp will be behind a paywall. The 2-week free trial is going away. We've had a 2-week free trial with no credit card required for forever. But we have had, there's just too much abuse of it, like continuous abuse. Our poor tech support, including myself, are just getting inundated with people won't even watch the videos to watch through how to install it themselves. They just come over and be like, help me. It's just become, it's too much. And yeah, so basically enjoy the 2-week free trial while it's there. And that current offer was only during the boot camp. That's technically already expired. It does have a date we've extended out through Friday, so I can guarantee you that it will be there through Friday. But after that whole page will not be there, and I can't even say what that offer is because it's so good. So I don't say it on live streams right now. But if it were me, I would definitely be grabbing that. It will literally be triple the price. And Black Friday will be nice. But it's not going to be this price ever again. Not trying to be the doomsdayer. It's just we've been working on shifting this over since we released the boot camp. So now you don't even have to take 40 days to learn everything. You can literally compact it in 8 videos. It's pretty awesome. But people don't appreciate free, right? If it's free, must not have any value. Oh, it's super cheap, must not work. Yeah, well, that's not working for me. We are the #1 in the world, and anybody who's seen it knows it. Oh, Eddie, I like that little graphic there. That's awesome. I'm gonna have to save that one. Red, red, yellow, green, green. Those are awesome. I didn't even know YouTube had those little cartoon squares. That's awesome. Okay, I know this seems weird, but I am grabbing along here. That is a double cross Super AO. If I can grab it for a 20 or 40.
Along on the NQ on the
I've got 20. Am I going to get 40? That's a headshot. 31, 39, 40, 50 ticks on the upside. I'll take it.
NQ on the 4.
Butamus. All right, so that is a first, just a double green. I'll take. This also was a super AO along with it. So green double cross plus a super AO. Just call it the same color.
Diesel July futures settle at around $2.20 a gallon, and gasoline July futures settle at around $2.60.
That was a 50 tick bag to the upside.
Gas July futures settle at around $3.50.
At 68 ticks, I grabbed 50 and closed it when I saw 50.
Delta NQ on the 4.
15 cents a barrel, up $3.17 or 4.88%.
Double Delta NQ on the 9. Enigma long on the NQ4.
Okay, listening for audio box here.
Lower bands touch.
Left hand buy, right hand sell. Wow, it went straight to the target. Okay, never mind. Look down at my hands for a second just to check to make sure I had the right hotkeys, and it launched. It launched without me.
NQ on the 4.
I literally glanced down for a second to look at my hotkeys, and I already saw it was up over 40 ticks. There she goes.
NQ78.
Enigma bottom collar inside of
NQ on the 4.
the Big Bull Defender.
Upper band
So
touch, NQ
my assumption would be
NQ on the 4.
this bull wants to push it up here, let himself out. They'll need to touch that level right there to do it. I'll see if I can get a play on the way. So what I'm looking for is one of our entries off of that cheat sheet. That cheat sheet is going to, remember, we have a 2-pillar system. 2 pillars are a complex structure plus an RTOFA event. RTOFA stands for real-time order flow analysis. Our RTOFA is in the Flowmaster system internal. It's literally the Flowmaster engine internal to AlgoBox. And it shows up as there's 3 things. 2 types of crosses, colored crosses, white crosses, and audio box, which is what you are hearing with the booms and the clacks. There are other internals used inside other things, such as the Enigma. But visually, what you're going to see on the chart are crosses.
Fib.NQ.
And those will be the order flow events that you're going to see visually on the screen. And then we want to combine that with structures, Fibella structures, harmonic structures, and I have PRZ only turned on, so these crab PRZs that are showing up,
Fib.NQ on the 4.
yours by default will have the entire harmonic drawn for you. If you want to turn that off, it will save you a lot of horsepower. It is the most important or the most intensive CPU process that we have internally. Hey, thanks, Christo. Appreciate that. Okay, multi-king timings coming in here. I saw somebody the other day who had some really cool button colors. They had kind of changed all this area.
NQ on the 4.
So the next version I release, I think we'll have just a slight modification of some of the colorings here. It looked really cool. If anybody else has some really neat ideas around the colorings here, definitely open to checking that out and seeing how you guys have customized your colors. Hotkeys, left hand buy, right hand sell right now, and Again, I don't know. We don't know for absolute 100% certainty that this guy's going to get let out. But that is generally how things work. This was also not 1,000. Remember, this was only like 700, 600 or 700. So is that big enough? Was that a big boy? Or I don't know. Did we miss it by a dime? Who knows? But it definitely got obliterated from before. So they should be allowed one touch. We've come up close, and this is starting to curve, so we maybe it's only shot earlier, and the fact that this bull got to shoot up here. How many ticks did that come up? 289. So if that same algo partner was in that, then he may not need to go and touch his previous position. We'll know that if this curves all the way down into this area again, then I will literally come up here and delete this green area. Do us a favor, don't talk in points around here. That's for noobs and people who want to try to pretend like they're smart. Points are a waste of brain power. Speak in ticks. That way it's universal. Ticks and dollars. Speak in points, it's one of my pet peeves. It's a waste of time and effort. Like a point on what? Now you have to ask the next thing. Like a point on what instrument? Well, if it's crude oil, well then it's 10 ticks a point. If it's ES, it's the whole, all that nonsense.
Locations across the Middle East.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
So again, U.S. Defense Secretary.
Okay, double cross, double move. I'm going for it. Double cross, double move. I'm just eyeballing it, but that's the pivot. So to here should double move that. Should double move us into the exact spot that I was hoping it was before. Let's see if we're going to get it. I'm going to use my F8 tool. Go to here. All right, there it is. Gold line target right inside. I'm going to remove it just so it's not curly and fuzzy there. But that is a double cross, double move, opposing colors. So I'm looking for the continuation. The pivot is here. You simply measure from here to here. Looking for the double move right to there.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
We'll see. Now, if we break below the crosses, I'll close it out and stop it out. And if we come back through to try rule.
Dependence from locations across the Middle East.
The way this is looking, I'm going to bracket it. I don't want to get snapped. We're right here at that P point. That is the middle of the day location. Okay, in case I have to try rule this, I like to press F6 in the middle of the crosses. So if it comes down, stops me out. If we come back through, I want to have an eyeball on it. It's going to be over here on the white line. As we come back through, I can try rule it if we do come back through. Because sometimes these will, they do that weird thing. They'll like snap down, wiggle, wiggle, and then slowly work their way back through. I don't want to get caught in that nonsense.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
It's a custom bar chart, custom bar type. It's called Algo bar, which internally has 2 bar types, and you'll learn that in the training. Makes a lot of things stand out, stuff that you can't see inside of time bars. Patterns are clearer. Also gives us an opportunity to measure RTFA easier, internal to bars. and a number of other things are advantageous using
Crude futures settled
our
at
algo bars.
$69.77 a barrel.
All right, they're trying to part with this P point here. There's 20. That's a 75, basically 75 tick target. But also a decent stop out there on these. It's the way it's meandering here. So higher risk. I like these to just run quickly, but you know, who doesn't? Okay, hopefully that is late Nate getting played against. Hopefully, crossing fingers here. That could be enough to give the catalyst up or down here. I'll probably close it out under that white cross. Whoa, see? There's the snap. That's what I was worried about. That's what I was worried about. That crazy snap. And sometimes I can go even farther, so I'm stopping out there. That is a mega late Nate. I need to hear buyer step, and then I'll re-engage.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Mega late Nate with a power headshot PRZ cross. All kinds of confluence right here. Just need to listen for audio box now.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Oh. Sellers. Okay, first set of buyers. Confirming again, basically doing the same play, 2-try rule.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Why is the voice new? What? Am I losing connectivity? I'm gonna have to add a bracket again.
Fib.NQ.
I don't want to get snapped. Oh my word! I didn't even get to move my target out. Alright, I'm borking things up here. It hit my target so fast I couldn't move it. Alright, I'm trying to bracket this one more time and move it. Thank you. My goodness. That happened very quickly. Alright, is that late Nate showing up? Remember, they get one chance to get out. If I measured that properly, I'm closing it. Alright. Might be early. That is now a mega late Nate. Showing up. Okay, let's see if we sweep the leg. I would anticipate we sweep the leg. Let's see if we're going to sweep it. I'm about to FOMO it. I'm about to FOMO it. All right, I'm FOMOing. I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss the drop. We've swept it. That's a mega. We got a mega late Nate right up on the target. Okay, we're not sweeping it. No, there's a super AO right into it. Double cross, all kinds of reasons. I'll have to talk through it. I'm trying to talk through it at the same time. Double cross. All right. The bull gets to get out. But now
Touch NQ
you
on the
got
40.
bull trap and that big bear dog. There's lots of big bear dogs down here that
Fib.NQ on the
they
9.
want their play. Come on in. He called you a Donkleosteus. Oh, that's the worst. He's being rude. That is rude. If somebody called me a Donkleosteus, I don't know what I would do with myself.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
I'd play him the troll song. You want me to play him the troll song?
NQ on the 4.
You wanna play the troll song for him? Here. Well, no, for him. You want me to play him the troll song? Let's find the troll song. Let's go into the audio contest area, and Mr. Zed created a really funny song. So, is your brother trolling you? You just sing this song for him. If they call you a Donkleosteus, you just sing them this song. How dare they call you a Donkleosteus?
Double NQ on the 4.
Up the dark, no, I won't break. No stopping my heart. Keep talking, I'm stacking without you. Keep trolling, I'm winning.
It's very catchy.
You, your noise can't stop me. I'm
He'll
cashing.
get this song stuck in his head and he'll sing it all night.
No, no, no. Clickety clack, trolls bark with no brains. Ranting online, but they stuck in the chains. Big noise, loud mouth, still losing the game. All rage, no trade, just spitting the same. Trying to drag me down, but I'm breaking the frame. The hate's a loop, just feel for my flame. While they whine, I grind, watch me claim. Algo box shines, trolls fade in shame. Hope you see me soar while you're still to blame.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
I'm stacking without you. Keep trolling, I'm winning without you. Your noise can't stop me. I'm cashing right through. No, 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 no. Starved by their venom, their bitter complaints. Trapped in their fury, no growth, just restraints. Loud mouth, no proof. Their words got no weight. They sink, I crank while they stew in their hate. These trolls might scream, but they're sealing their fate. Dark as they spread, but I'm setting it straight. Algo box glows while their vibes just deflate. Keep talking, I'm stacking without you. Keep trolling, I'm winning without you. Your noise can't stop me, I'm cashing right through. No, 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 no. Clickety clack, trolls bark with no brains. Ranting online, but they stuck in their chains. Big noise, loud mouth, still losing the game. All rage, no trade, just spitting the same. Trying to drag me down, but I'm breaking the frame. Their hate's a loop, just fuel for my maim. Their hate's a loop, just fuel for loop, just fuel for loop for maim. Their hate's a loop, just fuel for my flame. Well, name. Keep talking, I'm stacking without you. Keep trolling, I'm winning without you. Your noise can't stop me, I'm cashing right through. No, 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 no. Trolls yap, I stack. Trolls yap, I stack. Trolls yap, I stack. Baba box, I'm back.
3 minutes 47 seconds. Yeah. Are you done with this song? Okay. Thanks for dropping by. High five. See you later.
Trolls yap, I stack. Trolls yap, I stack. Trolls yap, I stack. Olga box, I'm back. Keep talking, I'm stacking with
Fib.NQ on the 9.
I stack. Trolls yap,
Yeah, press the live button. Yeah, just press live, you'll catch up. Yeah, but this should only be like couple seconds delay, and I mean it's not purposeful, but just estimates from, you know, when I connect or other people, should be about 2 or 3 seconds. There's no delay. All right, there's 40. I mean, there's a lot of potential in there. Like, I think they trapped him in. There's Late Nate and his buddies. These guys down here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure. They might hold it right above it. So target the P point for the big dog. About 40 right here. Don't hit my POE now.
NQ on the 4.
Okay, Seuss. Okay, so we're at 40 right here.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Okay, listen for audio box. If we start hearing clacking, I gotta kill it. Filled to the Enigma. There's 60. Let's see if we can get some more. There's the P point. I'll pull half at the P point. I'll pull half some more. So I'm just leaving on about a 5 contract runner. I'm going to lock in I want to lock in a bracket, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add stop and put that back here around the target line. There's a double cross right there. I'll kill it right there at the P point. 53,000 on one account, 37,000 in the other. We are trekking towards another 6-figure day. What is the current summary right now? 90,796. That calls for a little celebrating, does it not?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43. Double delta NQ on the 4.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
It's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near. Feel alone.
I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play.
bands touch NQ on
All right, all the way into the bear zone. All right, I could have hit the 100K. I was nervous.
bands touch NQ on the 43.
I was a wuss. Totally could have had it.
NQ on the 43.
Let me remove a couple of these. So, didn't need double cross line. We nailed that.
On the 4.
The measure inside, we finished that. Hit target 1 on the J hook, finished that. We touched in, they let themselves out. Like I said, they had to let them out. They usually allow each other out. That's how the big boys play.
On the 43.
They're like, okay, let's shake hands. Boom. They're like, I'll give you one shot. I'll let you get him out at the base of your mountain. But then daddy's taken back over, and so that's what happens. All right, so now, who's in charge now? This guy's gone. We said this before. He got his touch.
Two finger NQ on the 43.
Brokers love me.
Divergence NQ on the 49. Enigma long on the NQ6.
Just so everybody knows, like this is after commissions. Just so y'all know, like I calculate commissions into that number. The number before commissions, I'm actually up 54,685. 54,685. So over $1,000 or so in commissions. I have it calculating here as well.
NQ on the 43.
How much in commissions? 1,500 in commissions.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
We'll round it up. 1,600. 1,600 commissions. Profit factor 5.42. My winners are 5.42 times the size of losers, and I am 74%. Long side, I'm not doing too bad on the long side. You know, I'm more of a bear guy most of the time, but today got to play both sides. And 77% to the bear. I'm still better at the bear. Full side 69% though, not too shabby. Not too shabby. $90,000 after commissions so far. And you mean the market menace? Oh, that's funny. I like that. I'm like Dennis the Menace. I'm like Vinny the Menace. The market menace. So people are wondering about this other one. So this is the bot account. Enigma V3 bot. Ran there in the morning. Then I took over in the afternoon. Had like the absolutely perfect. It's easier in the morning. Like it's easier like the lining up the big guys in the morning. We saw the big 3 a.m. guy overnight. Marked him up. Then we had the morning one that came just a few minutes before the open. And it was really all the story that needed to be told this morning. It was like, okay, well, that guy's got to get let out. And then there was 2 of them. Remember that? Then there ended up being 2 big. I'm like, they have to let him out. And they let out both sides. They let the big guy out overnight.
2 finger
And they brought it down and let the big 2 bears out from the morning. If you missed that from the morning, that was these 2 giant white lines that I said they're going to come down here. There's a big bear right here that has to get let out. And then big bear number 2, he's got to get let out too. And what did we write? Back here. I know we had some text on it. Yep. There it is. Is way back there. So a lot of play later in the day.
NQ on the 9.
But this is what we were saying was they got to let this guy out and they got to let this guy out. Now, I guaranteed they had to let this guy out. This guy, I said, I don't know. I mean, that's way down there. They're going to let him out? And they sure enough, they did though.
NQ on the 40.
We were short up here and nailed it. Huge 270 some odd tick play on that one. Almost 3. No, it was 300. 300 tick play there this morning. This is the first one. Played it again. I didn't roll it all the way down here. We took the break there around that point, but so easy to read with Algo Box, in my opinion. Makes it just a little bit too easy almost. Okay, bears are getting let out. Remember where the first bullet step from before? He already made his money, so we can actually erase this one as well. This one doesn't really matter anymore. I'm going to leave it there for now, just for kicks and giggles. But that bull made his money. Remember, he kicked in right here. He's like, okay. And then boom, he made his money. He ran it up, up, and up. Exchanged hands with the bears. You know, this ran up to target 1. He ran it 358 ticks. So this bull made his money. So this guy's out. Does everybody understand that? Type of 1, if you know what I'm talking about. 2, if you're new and we need to review. If I get 5 people with a 2, I'll take more time to walk through it. But hopefully we get a bunch of 1s. You guys should know if you guys were following through, especially yesterday. I really went through a lot of it, and Mentorship Monday as well. How do I figure out if my system is powerful enough for Algo Box? Do you have an i5 or greater?
Double delta Emini.
So there is a setting. This is it. I want everybody to pay attention to this. I know everybody answer the 1 and the 2 real quick, but then come back and do this one thing. Everybody do it. Okay. In fact, so I'm gonna try to finish out. I'm gonna finish out that release tonight. I've been working with the web guys mostly, but I'm gonna try to finish out this code change today. And it's really just a workspace and change. It's not a code change. This is just a workspace change. But right click, go to your indicators. Now this might lock up on me. I don't recommend doing this intraday with this still being connected. Normally I want to disconnect before I make this change, but I'm risking it out here because system's working pretty smooth here. Go into the harmonics pattern algo right here. Are there 2 songs playing right now? Hold on.
Double delta NQ on.
Sorry about that. Was that song playing the whole time? Wow, that was super annoying. Sorry about that. I can subtly hear it. It's like down at like 3%. There was 2 songs playing during our celebration jams there. Thanks for putting up with me. Okay, on the harmonic pattern, you're anybody's machine. If you just take this one right here, this is a monster. And just go right here and select draw PRZ only. That's a performance setting right there. So draw only the PRZ, because all the heavy, I don't want to say all of the heavy hitting, but a lot of the heavy hitting comes from drawing in the cool, the full bat, the full cipher, the full shark. But you see how I have it here where I'm just drawing the PRZ squares for you. There is actually a massive set of structures to the left of that if you are familiar with harmonics. Now, I don't know if everybody's familiar with harmonics. Let's do a check on that. If you are familiar with harmonics type of 1, how many people are not familiar with harmonics? So type of 1 if you are, a 2 if you are not. 2 if you are new to harmonics. 1 if you're having fun with harmonics. 1 for fun. 2 if you're new.
2 finger NQ on the 43.
I like only seeing the PRZ. Love to hear it. Jason Trades. Speaking of somebody to follow, Jason Trades is here with us. You guys want to go check him out, follow his YouTube channel. He's got beautiful thumbnails, very clean, very straightforward. Is a super confluence, what he calls a mega confluence player. And he's got a really neat way that he combines our entry stuff. So go check out, he put out a couple of video hacks. I think he called one the Bollinger hack. And then I watched his other one from the other night, his Mega Confluence play. Awesome. Love to hear it. He's got an awesome voice too. He's got a great voice for, he's soothing. I actually like listening to Jason Trades. He'll give him a follow over there on his YouTube channel. And he's putting out some good content related to Algo Box. There we go. Eddie dropped a link there. Did I give Jason Trades a... yeah, Jason, you can post your own link there. Jason is I added you as moderator the other day, so feel free to post your link to your YouTube channel. Okay, we got Jagged on the tape. Jagged warning. Everybody type Jagged warning in the chat. Jagged warning. Jagged on the tape. It's a triple tooth on the side of a mountain. It's coming. Big play move. Big play coming. Big move. It's a multi-jag. Okay, so the bear wants to make his money. Did he get pushed before? He did. This guy hasn't made his money yet. So what's his take profit? I mean, we'll assume this is the first one. Yeah, that looks like a double move here. So first take profit zone will be the green zone below. I'm looking for an entry. I'd love to see a double cross in here to target the bottom. That's the first piercer of a cipher. So we already broke the first green. Our algo particularly is allowed. It's the way that we implement it. See how we implement our algorithm? You control it with buttons on and off. So this is prop firm friendly. So if you go to our website, algoboxpro.com, there's a list of things there. One of them says prop firm friendly. You're controlling the entry. Prop firm friendly. Yes. Trade copier for 20 accounts. Yes. Pit noise audio box. Yes.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
If you're up here at the top and click on docs, this will take you to our documentation area, docs.algoboxpro.com. If you want to search for that, like that double cross double move we did earlier, DCDM. Check out advanced examples here. That'll take you straight to the videos, but the way that our documentation is laid out, go up top, you can read about it first, then you've got some visuals on it, then you got some examples of Giphies, then full video. You got a short video first if you just need a quick refresher. If you want a deep dive, you go to the next one. So this one is like a 1 minute quick, you know, if you've watched our boot camps and you already know and you're like, I just need a refresher, what was that thing, what was that deal, you can watch the quick one. You need the deep dive videos are down below. That's the way our documentation is laid out.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Super AO. All right. I mean, they're just handing out candy today. Okay. God, I'm just pressing buttons and money's popping out. Holy shnikes. Super AO. Just grab that one for a 40 bag off of the Super AO. Beautiful. I might not have counted that right. Was it 40? No. What did I get? From here to... Yeah, I thought I saw 40. Yeah, I got 41 ticks out of it. I just measured wrong the first time, I guess. Didn't even let me get big on it. So I got the wrong size here. I was trying to go 8 contracts. I didn't get squat on that. Whatever. You gonna give me a second shot at it?
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay.
Fib.NQ.
Okay, I'm hearing buyers, and wait till I hear a few sellers step in, and then we got didn't see a double cross in here. It was hoping we'd see double cross here. Didn't get it. Single cross, reversed in, Super AO,
Divergence
40 bag.
on the 9.
Now, I don't know if the bulls know that there's a giant bear in here or not.
NQ on the 4.
I don't think they do. Gonna give me a super shark back. Shark back line is right here. This will, if we get a, it'd be awesome if we get a cross in here too. Second cross. Remember, if I'm in a zone and I want to see them defend this area, remember right now this has become a defense leg, just FYI. We know this is a defense leg in this area. Prices come through it. This bear has not made profits yet. His take profit zone should be here or more.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
That bear wants it. He wants to make money. Now, does he have time to do it? It's 310. So are they going to let him? We don't. Oh, that's DDSR. DDSR for 40. In the bear zone. It would be better if I had a cross, but I'll take a DDSR. The R2FA event. Also a little bit of a Titanic zone here. So target would be here. Stop is here. DDSR. I like to grab them for 40 bags. And there's my 50 bag. I'll take it. Thank you very much, DDSR. Too easy. DDSR. Double delta shift reversal. Real easy. If you ever see one of these two yellows side by side, you can go check this out in our documentation as well. DDSR. Double delta shift reversal. I know it's a mouthful. That's why we call it the DDSR. But it's so easy to see. Now, was this inside of a zone? Yes. Can you see it? Yes. Was it the top of zone? Yes. So am I going to take that every single time? Yes. Mega late Nate? Yes. Only an algo box. Dude, that bear just stepped in again. Oh, this is going to be gnarly. This is going to be gnarly. Holy cow. This is going to be so epic. Holy shnikes. That's a huge amount of distance. Oh, it's going to be 250. They're going to get 250. Am I going to be able to get 250? Let's see. I'm going to listen for it. The ideal would be to get 2 red crosses in here. That would be the ideal. But we know there's a big gnarly bear in here. Tell him he's going to be in some serious trouble if he keeps it up. Hey guys, can y'all close the door, please? I know, I understand. I'll talk to him. Just in case we do some crazy wild whatever, I'm gonna put a hard stop.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Yeah, like some wild thing, like some crazy bull wants to have his last hurrah. Okay, we got retail.
NQ on the 4.
Headshot. Add to position. Need to change this now to a 12. That is a headshot. Also in our documentation. Combination of a Fabella dot plus R2FA event in the same location, vicinity, within 10 to 15 bars of each other. Stop on a headshot is right above the dot, so I will likely kill this early right in front of that, and I can always reassess. All right, killing it, taking a loss right there. Let's see if it early birded me. Fingers on hotkeys. Crack the dot, so gotta respect it.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 9.
Okay, they filled me. Kind of got to do the same thing here.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
That is a big stop. I'm going to put it behind this ready DD right here. Dot, is it going to break? It just broke the dot enough to crack it. Our time 3:16.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Here's 40, here's 50. All right, I'll take 50 ticks. We didn't get double red in there, so don't know. It could pop up again. I want to see, you know, an actual like double cross, double move all the way down in there. At 96,005.
Double delta NQ on the 6.
4K away. Don't want to jinx it. I got a $400 superstition pop quiz. You guys think I should have a $4,000 superstition for 6 figures? I feel like this last 4K is going to be the hardest.
On the 4.
Like I just instinctively, I feel like it's going to be the hardest 4K I've made in a long time. I just have that feeling. 4K away from 100K. Yeah, I got a $400 superstition. I think right now I'm riding on like a $4,000 superstition. Literally over 90. At 96 right now. Trust the system. All right, let's do it. What's our time? Do we have time? We do. It's 3:18. Does not exist. There is no spoon. I think I'm supposed to tell myself, what is it? I already have the 4K. The 4K is already in my bag. This 4K bag is already mine. It's already here. I have my 4K bag already. This 6-figure day is already mine. What did we draw this white line here for? Do y'all remember? I don't remember what we drew that there for. If I drew a line, though, it was important. Do you remember what this white line was from? Because we're on it. We've touched it a couple times. It had to mean something. Should not delete it. I'm just going to delete it. I don't remember what it was unless somebody tells me what it is. It's basically at this pivot here, but it came to it. I don't know what I had it there from before. I'm sure it was important. Had a thicker white line from earlier. Was that the take profit one? Oh, okay, okay. Well, we did a good job then. Okay, there's cross one. Give me an opposing color. Come on. Give me a red one. 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 Come on. Double cross, double move me. Come on. Give me one of my favorites. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. All right, I'll toe in the water on it. But come on. Give me another. Give me a red cross. Give me a red cross. Give me a red cross, boss. Come on, red bar. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. All right, I'm half in position. Half. This is where I need to have, you know what I don't have on? I don't have position details turned on, so I don't know if that's 4K down there or not with only, I want to risk the least to get my 4K. Now, I'm not saying to get the most, I want to grab my 4K bag, but this, I didn't get a red. Oh my goodness, they're giving me a red dot. All right, power headshot, short, don't break that dot, don't do it. Don't break the dot.
Lower bands.
You're breaking the dot. You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. See? That final 4K. Yeah, no. Should have killed it under there. All right, there's late Nate. Gonna try to do an ad here, but this could be bad. Trying to grab that last 4K. Final 4K bag. All right, that is a PRZ cross. Cipher. It went more than 30 ticks, so I can't try to maximize it. I've got to mitigate. I can either maximize or mitigate. It went more than 30, so it's kind of my rule. Can only mitigate now. Two. Well, that's not what I wanted. All right, I got a half up. Taking loss. She wants to ride back up into the bear area. Now, if we get those two double reds back here, I'm here for it.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yeah, I know I could change that to dollars, but like it's what my target, right? I don't know. It's my target. Oh, I see what you're saying though. I could hold it out to 4K then, right? Yeah. That would be a quick one to, instead of going to my indicators and adding the position details indicator. Yeah. Here comes king timing. Hoping we can see some red crosses in here.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, don't run without me, bro. Switch dot, king timing, double delta at the bottom. It's weird we didn't get a ready DD there.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
That looks like two little twin peaks to me. Listening for audio box. Nope. All right, cracking the dot. Got to peel half here. Still inside the bear, but we never saw my two red crosses.
Urgence down NQ on the 9.
We've got divergence, pink dot into the bowl. I mean, it doesn't, from a technical standpoint, it doesn't get any better than this. We're at the top of the bear. The bear should be growling any moment. He wants to take his profits unless a gigantinormous bull steps in here and goes over 1,000. Then the bear needs to come and get his pound of flesh. Seuss. There we go. Toe in the water. First cross. Should be waiting on the second one. But we've been turning on singles. I need to hear the bears. I need to hear it on the tape. Listening for audio box. Wrong sound, bro.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Red dot on the 9s. Wow, double dot, red dot. I gotta show this. This is cool. I mean, it's not if it breaks, but this is gonna be smooth from a high time frame. High time frame, there's the boss.
Delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, I heard the bear start to roar. I have no cave target below me, so I'm just holding it out. I don't know what number I need anymore. Where am I at now on the P&L? I hate that I'm sitting here counting P&L right now. I'll just be straight up honest about it. What am I counting? I'm at 89,000, so now I need 10,000.
Fib.NQ on the 6.
Where am I at now? That's 7,000.
Fib.NQ.
I need 10,000. It's at 8,000. Yikes, that's a super AO. Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Double Delta NQ on the 6. Fib.NQ on the 4. Speed of NQ 63. Upper bands touch NQ.
Hardest 4K ever. What time is it? It's 3:27.
Touch NQ on the 43.
Alright, they're getting crazy.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
There's my super AO. I mean, it's basically my best shot to do it. It's a super AO. Are they going to run it, though? Do they just want to run up to the prior? You can feel them getting crazy in here. It might not be good. Numbers making me weird. I need to see tick counts. I'm trying to get 100 ticks. I did. I had my 100 bag down there. I should have just taken it. Now this would be easier if I was just grabbing a 100 bag now. Or if I grabbed the 100 bag and then this returned, this would be so much easier. So I should have just followed my normal rules instead of trying to chase numbers. Talking through it to remind myself later.
Speed of
we are sitting in the golden ropes.
Speed of NQ 60.
Coming back to my POE. Alright, I'm halving up. It's too dangerous. NQ is one of those ones at end of day, the bulls like to come in and rip their horns. You see that little warning color right there? That warning color is a time where the bulls are like, alright, if we're going to step, we step now. So, yeah, the last 4K turned out to be one of the hardest. No surprise, honestly.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Pierced. Super AO was the entry. But it already dropped. It went 85 ticks from the Super AO already, so... Oy vey.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Okay, listening for audio box.
Fib.NQ
Okay.
on the 43.
Good.
Enigma long on the
Oh
NQ4.
my word. Okay, I'm hearing audio box. I'm just following audio box. We got the Enigma, second Enigma, and I hear sell. So I'm looking at the target being the back of that Enigma. Is it going to be enough, or is this call on the bottom? That is a 7.6 plus the Enigma. So that is a power moonshot long that I'm playing against only because of the Enigma audio box here. Very dangerous. They could just be sitting in here because of the golden ropes. We're on the golden ropes on the 43, which is the optimized range. POE, gotta half it up. All right, I'm closing it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I tried. I tried, but no. It's too ganky. I jacked up a couple of things in there. Didn't take it there. I was messing around with numbers, all kinds of little things there. 331. It's BTFD, STFU time. Could have hit it twice. There's 100 and another 100. Oh, that would have been so easy to do it that way. 100 and 100. Take it when you get to Super AO. Super AO at the bottom. Super AO at the top. Super AO again. 7. 7 is the turning point. You can tell 7 is the tuning. You're tuning your AOs. It's 7. It's 7. It's 7. King timing.
Fib.NQ on the
red
4.
dot.
Double delta NQ on the
At the
6.
top of the bear zone. Only a structure. We'd like to see an R2FA event along with it.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh my word. Switch dot. Please break that green dot or I have to kill it over the red dot. Pierced. Full position. Stop over dot. Deuce. I'm trying to size enough to finish off 6 figures, and that's, I don't know if that's wise. We're gonna find out. Now I'm looking over to see how much I need. I'm retarded. I need 12K. I'm at 7. I don't know if I'm gonna get that, y'all. Zeus. Trying to max it. I'm trying to max it. I'm trying to max it. Zeus. What did I just press? What did I just press? Oh my word. I pressed the wrong button. I'm out. I literally pressed the wrong button. I'm trying to add to position. I'm 3K away. Whatever. I'm done. It's clearly not in the cards. I literally tried to press the sell and my button is right next to it and it hit the buy. Because I was like, why did it go down to 12? I'm trying to get to 24. So close. So close. And it would have done it too. It would have done it. It would have done it. It would have done it.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Oh yeah, I would have got it. I would have gotten it. I would have gotten it. I literally hit the... Oh. Look at this. Look at this.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 43.
Oh, I'm so pissed right now. Look at this thing. These buttons are not hard to hit, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're like this, and somehow you hit this instead of this? Are you retarded? Yes, you're retarded. Wow.
Lower bands.
And there she goes.
On the 43. Divergence up NQ.
Take profit zone.
Lower bands.
Perfectly laid out, and you couldn't do it, bro. That is why you got to practice, folks. You gotta do a lot of practice, even on your buttons. You just gotta hit them a lot. And because yeah, you don't slip click and have problems like that when you are you've practiced enough. Should be natural. You should be able to feel it.
Lower
Fence
bands
leg, take
touch
profit zone. It's here. Oh, man. That was defeating. What time is it? How much time do I got? Do I have enough time to like stretch, mentally recoup here? And how far are we? A 3K play. End of day. It's 3:35. Wow, it feels like it's end of day. It's not. We're only at, we got 25 minutes. Oh. Okay. All right, let me see. Where did I flub it? Here. I'm going to draw a line right here. Can it come hop back into me? Okay. Here's the flub line. What color should I color the flub line? Make it orange. What's a good flub line color?
NQ on the 9.
Barf. Or barf brown. Here we go.
NQ on the 4.
Saddle brown. Yeah, because I got it in the saddle. Yeah. There we go. That's appropriate. The saddle brown. There's where I effed up. Could have had it. All right.
NQ on the 9.
I'm gonna call it the Dookie line. Okay, there's the Dookie line. Am I gonna get another chance? Are they gonna literally come to the dance with me? They gonna come to the dance? Do they know that the bear's in there? They don't know. Oh, okay. Well, if it's gonna be, I mean, this is it. If it's gonna be, this is. I mean, this is. You don't get much better than a power headshot. Oh, it's a mega late Nate power headshot. It's a mega late Nate power headshot. I can't type it. Nope. They're breaking the cross. Gotta pull it. Okay. Nope. They're gonna come and jack me up. They're gonna steal my thunder. Are they breaking another one? They broke another. That's 2. They broke 2 structures and the mega late Nate. Breaking my heart. I don't think they know there's a bear in there. I'm just listening for audio box. All right. Re-engage. Stop calling me, asshole. Sorry for my French.
On the 4.
Asshole. Asshole. It's French. What we're having for dinner. Just trust me. Well, that sounded weird.
Enigma short on
everything I said. Just ignore everything I just said. All right, Enigma 18.4. I don't like that I'm hearing buyer's step. You're just gonna take it. You're just gonna take my beautiful 6-figure day. Zeus. Some oddball number here. Crap. I don't like doing odd numbers. Threw me on odd numbers too. There we go. Get that out of there. All right. Can I get lucky 24s? There's a stop line. 6. There's the stop line. Ooh. Are you kidding me?
Double delta NQ
Dude.
on 4. Double delta NQ on the 9.
You are straight pissing me off. 10. Oh, you're not going to film me either now? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Deuce.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Add. Come on, bro. Stop messing with me.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Add. Bright red. Almost no fill. Don't break that dot. Don't break that dot.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Broke it.
Double delta
Broke the dot.
on the 4. Divergence down NQ on the 9 on the 4.
Switch dot. Ready DD. Just give me a third one of these, would you? There's 1, 2. Give me a third ready DD. Give me a Titanic zone that I can work with here so I can grab 100 bag. I'm tired of this nonsense. What time is it? 3:41. Bunny ear. I hear Don James's lucky song. Maybe this is the one. Don't run without me. Of course you're gonna run without me, jerk.
Algo boxers, light it up. Smash the like button. Clickety clap, tappity tap, smash that like, don't hold it back. Bippity
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Don't you crack that dot. I'm gonna kill it. I'm done. I am done. I'm done. All right, what did I do? This is too dangerous. We're sitting in here in the golden ropes. Who even knows? And they never touched this zone up here from before. This thing could rocket up here. That is the danger. And you know how it is with Nasdaq. That bull can just yank his horns any minute, and that could just roll all the way up there. I'm not doing it. I am not giving it back a bunch. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Frustrating end there. Doing really well. Then, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're just gonna hand me what I asked for? I'll just listen. Just listen for the booms. Super AO. Seuss. Titanic zone. It's shallow though. The bottom of it is right here. This is not good. Why am I still fighting this stupid thing?
On the 6. Fib.NQ on the 4.
King timing. Deuce. Two, 3, 12. Come on, bro.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Give him the bull trap. It's triple reds. Come on now. Late Nate showed up. Thank you.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Don't give Late Nate no money. You can let him think, let him believe one more time. Then let's crush him. Okay, we're done with that. Yeah, exactly. Deuce. Lucky 24s. Don't let Late Nate make no money, bro. I ain't got no time for that. 24, 6, 8, you need to press 2 to get 32. 2 for 32. 2 for 32. Okay. Counting clicks. Counting clicks. Don't break my POE, bro. Rude.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
That's number 4. I mean, this thing should... I mean... I don't even want to say it. I don't even want to say what it should do.
Fib.NQ
I'm gonna
on
jinx
the 4.
it. Oh goodness. All right, 32-bit operating system stops above the white line like we had originally
Upper bands
considered.
on the 43.
I was hoping not to have to come to here, but here we are.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
It didn't let
43.
me work with my 32-bit operating system.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Gotta be kidding me. Don't run without me.
Divergence along NQ on the Y3.
What in the F is going on? I'm closing it. I do not know what in the F. No, not doing it. Not doing it. 350 algo. Totally got spaced out. Totally got spaced out in there. Whoa. I bet y'all were telling me too. Y'all were telling me 350 algo, weren't you? Y'all were telling me. Y'all were telling me. I totally got spaced. It's 350 algo right there. Duh. Duh. All right. The good news is this thing went straight up at the 350. So 355 is probably also straight up. But dude, I don't think I could get myself to press the buy button here where we're sitting. Super AO held it. 350 algo came in.
DCDM NQ on the NQ.
Push it up. The golden ropes are just sitting here, the golden ropes of safety. So I would like to sell the top and buy the bottom.
NQ on the 4.
But how close am I right now? Oh my word. Am I back to 97 again?
Upper
I'm at 95,000. Okay. I am beyond my $4,000 superstition. I missed the divergence firing there because I am like, dude, I am decision fatigued. I could feel my brain melting right about now. It's like my brain is steamrolled. I'm over there like counting clicks, and I'm having to click, I'm having to count them so fast because the market's moving quick. Like it's literally telling me on my chart, it's like, yo, bro, this is too fast. Like you're gonna overheat and jag it on the tape. Oh, I should do it. I should totally do it. I need a good play. Just give me. I'm gonna just wait for a good play. Just wait for a good play. Don't FOMO it, bro. It was a perfect play back there. Now we need a play. Wait for a play. Wait for a play. Yeah, jagged warning. We totally have jagged on the tape right now. Big play is coming right now.
Double delta.
Do not want to get off sides. Okay, get ready. Ready. It's ready. I need a play. No, we're beyond 20 bar. We're beyond 20 bars. I told you it was going to be so hard. It's going to be the hardest 4K ever. It was like I just I knew it. The hardest 4K. Hardest 4K. Oh. Just need to play. All right. Head in the game. Lucky sevens right now. Lucky sevens 353.
DCDM on the 4.
Whatever the play is, it's through the end of the day. That's what I'm going to say. I just need a play. Look for the trap. There's a trap. I hope this is going to trap to the upside.
Fib.NQ.
Because it's I'm much easier on the bear side. There's a blue dot. Got to be careful of those. Those call way too many bottoms. Get ready. Ready, delta shift. Headshot. Ah, I'm not taking a long, bro. I am not taking a long, but that is a double dot headshot long. Oh, I got my 5. Give me a second one. Give me a second one. I dare you. It's a mega late Nate. It's a mega late Nate. I have to take it. I'm gonna get so wrecked. That is a mega late Nate and with a headshot. Oh my goodness, it's getting wild. It is getting wild right here. Holy shnikes.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Oh, they're gonna make me pay. I'm gonna kill it. I don't know what's happening there. Mega late Nate showed up in there. Should have been a turn from it. No, man, they're floating it. It's too dangerous. End of day, man. Bulls start swinging their horns around.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up already. 66 ticks I could have had. Oh, shut up.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Oh my word, this movement is crazy.
On the 4.
Just give me a double red. Just give me a double red. All I'm at, there's one. Give me a second one. Just give me a double red. Not just one, I want 2. Give me a double red. Give me a double red, bro. Give me a double red. Give me a double red.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ.
Give me another red. Give me 2 reds, bro.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
Dude. Just give me another red. Give me 2 reds.
Fib.NQ on the 9. DCDMYM on the 6. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, you're giving me the red dot. I want it. I do. I do. But I'm trying. I need a red, bro. Give me the red. Give me a Flowmaster event. Just give me a Flowmaster event. It's king timing. Come on. Get up already. I'm closing all my other smaller time frame charts. I don't want any processing to screw this up. Whatever's about to happen right here, I think it's going to be big. Oh, the Flowmaster event.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
Key point. Key point. Oh, come on, baby. Finally, you show up. Finally, you big nasty beast, you. You finally show up. You finally show up after you give me heart attacks and stuff. Now you're going to show up. You jackass. You jacktard. I mean, you lovely, beautiful thing, you. You lovely, lovely, beautiful, beautiful thing, you. If I hit the wrong button, I'm going to kill somebody.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 43.
They're not letting me out. They're not letting me have 100K. They're not letting me have it. They won't even fill my orders now. Bro, they are fighting me. They won't even fill my orders. That is 100K. All you have to do is clear out my 4. Don't run me, bro. Do not run me. Fill my dang order. Fill my stupid order. You suck. You suck. You absolutely suck. You piece of garbage. You piece of garbage. Oh my word. You are a piece of garbage. You garbage paling, nonsensical, give me my ticks, you stupid beep, beep, beep. Hold on, where's my beep button? Where is my beep button? I'm about to bleep all day long if this thing doesn't give me my last little tack here. Hold on, where's the bleep button?
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Where's my censor button? You're gonna have to censor this part. You're going to have to censor it.
Fib.NQ on the 43. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
The hell he talking about?
And you fail.
99,706, asshole.
Fib.NQ on the 9. NQ on the 4.
I tried. You cannot say I didn't try. 99,448. Oh.
And you fail.
Ain't nobody got time for that. On the 43.
5 minutes remaining.
Bruh.
Well, that sucked. I'll see you in the morning. Art team, show these fine folks how it's done.
Upper band touch NQ on the 4889.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investors because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use that, they have both front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Audio Jungle.